Tastes like summer, looks like summer. We are entering strawberry season, a sure sign that summer is on the way. Echo Blickenstaff is here to share 3 recipes that will put all your strawberries to some good use. I have to divert here. Mother's Day, my family, they know how much I love strawberries, chocolate-covered strawberries, so I'm already putting it to use, but I cannot wait to dive into your ideas because you are giving us a little spin of the chocolate-covered strawberries with cream or cheesecake, a cheesecake style one.
Strawberries filled with cheesecake filling, and this is such an easy recipe, but it makes a really good treat. So you just hull out, you find the reddest, prettiest strawberries you can. That usually means they're sweet if they're red and they smell good, which these do.
And you're saying the store is a good place to start?
Yeah, I got these at Costco, but local markets usually carry really good strawberries this time of year.
Okay.
So this is just Cool Whip cream cheese and powdered sugar. And you just pipe it into your strawberries. It's so simple, just like this.
Doesn't take long at all.
And then dip it into chocolate, and you can get something, you know, that looks like this, and you can add sprinkles or decorate it however you want. Perfect for showers, graduation parties.
Oh, this is the season, right?
Just a fun treat at home, yeah.
Okay, so from that, some more sweetness, you're talking about strawberry syrup. All right, what are the details?
And this is my go-to recipe when my strawberries are getting too ripe. And I know I've got like very little time to use them up. I chop them up, and you add some sugar and a little bit of lemon juice and water. And we're just starting this one, but you simmer it for about 8 to 10 minutes. And it gets this really nice, heavy syrup. And you can either use it chunky, you can blend it up and use it like I have on these pancakes.
Right here.
And you can see kind of the consistency here. It just is delicious over ice cream or pancakes. Or you can strain out the seeds even more, and you have like a simple syrup you can add to lemonade or like your favorite soda for a strawberry. And it's fresh, not the artificial tasting strawberry.
None of that stuff.
So good.
Okay, anything that we could possibly get wrong where we're not getting that consistency, like any other little tips or
You can
tricks?
do like add a little cornstarch. We do have some cornstarch in the recipe too. If you want it thicker, you can add a little more cornstarch to get that thickness.
Well, look at that.
However you want. Isn't that beautiful?
Yeah, it's oozing with goodness.
And it tastes as good as it looks.
All right, you know, a salad for the season, something cool and refreshing because it's been getting a little hot out there.
Yeah, so this is my favorite salad for spring and summer. It's fresh berries, and it's a copycat recipe from Cafe Zupa's Nuts About Berry Salad.
I love that one.
And it's so simple. It's just greens, blackberries, raspberries, and then fresh strawberries, some feta cheese, and then I like to sprinkle on some candied pecans.
Can't go wrong with that.
But doesn't that look good?
Oh, that looks
delicious. Strawberries are so good in salad. They go really well with grilled chicken, avocado. So just throw on
some protein in there, right?
Yes.
Now you talked a little bit with the syrup that when your strawberries are getting a little mushy, that's like a good time to prepare the syrup. Is there any other type of dishes that you would recommend for those strawberries that sometimes you forget about them in the fridge or they've been sitting out too long? Any other tips for us?
Definitely freezer strawberry jam. I think probably everyone has their grandma's recipe for freezer jam.
That's the go-to.
That is perfect. Also, we've got a recipe for that on our website as well.
All right, so many good ideas here. If we love strawberries, we got 3 options here. Echo, where can we find more about you and the recipes?
FavoriteFamilyRecipes.com.
All right.
And we've got other strawberry recipes you can enjoy this time of year as well.
Keep them coming. Thanks so much.